Hey y'all, it's your girl Sasha E. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be doing my baby sister's first wash and go, y'all. So we just took her hair out of some box braids, but y'all, let's get into this length. As y'all know, I've been taking care of her hair for the last 10 months, and her hair length has quadrupled, you guys. Her hair is 1 inch away from bra strap length. I do have a video on her wash day routine for extreme hair growth, so if you guys haven't checked that video out, I will link it above in the card so that you guys can watch. So right now, I'm just going to put her hair in 4 sections. I like to work in sections whenever I am doing a wash and go because it just makes the process easier. So for her wash and go, I am going to be using the Maya Organics leave-in conditioner. This is the pomegranate and honey line. So I really want to work this in her hair because her hair has been in those box braids for about a month and her hair really needs the moisture. So I'm just going to work that in real good. So for her first wash and go, we originally were just going to use the Wetline Extreme Gel, but I decided to use the JHERI Curl Juice because I did try that in my hair and I had amazing results. So I wanted to see how it would come out for her hair. So that is what we're going to be going in with next. So I'm raking the product through her hair, and as you guys can see, her curls are popping. So now I'm going to follow up with the Extreme Wetline Gel just to give her a little bit more definition. And at first I was raking this product through, but with her hair, shingling looks like it works better. So I raked it in first and then I started the shingling process. So y'all, as you can see, baby girl's hair is popping. Her curls look super defined. Her hair is so shiny, and I definitely think I did the right thing with this combination for her first wash and go. So after adding the wetline gel, I followed up with the curl activator moisturizer. So when I did my first JHERI curl video, a few subbies let me know that the spray moisturizer is supposed to be used after applying all the products. So I decided to try it that way, and y'all, it worked perfectly. As you can see, her hair looks so good.
The universe has known it all along. Maybe this is where our story starts. Maybe it was written in the stars. Written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me. Take me to your heart. Take me to your soul. Never drawn apart. 'Cause I belong to you. Be my guiding star. 'Cause I need your loving, baby. And never let me down. Let me down, let me down. I'm your song, and you're playing all my melodies. There's no one else, 'cause baby we got chemistry. You gave me feelings, feelings that I never knew. This heart of mine will always and forever belong to you. You and me were meant to be as one. The universe has known it all along. Maybe this is where our story starts. Maybe it was written in the stars. Written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You and me, written in the stars.
Alright guys, so these are the final results, and as you guys can see, Baby girl's hair is popping. Her wash and go looks super defined, super moisturized, and it's so shiny, and I'm just so in love with it. And if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a huge thumbs up. Also, go ahead and leave me a comment. Let baby girl know that her hair looks great. And also, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications. I do post Sunday, Thursdays, and Fridays at noon Eastern Standard Time. And I'm also on Instagram at sashie.tv. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!